Hari Om, my dear students. Please follow the instructions given by the government to fight against COVID-19. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth frequently. In the present situation, avoid going crowded places. Now I am here to teach you the lesson Little Girl by Catherine Mansfield. Little Girl by Catherine Mansfield. She was a prominent modern short story writer and poet. She was a prominent modern short story writer. The little girl, the theme of this lesson, little girl, is the relationship between parents and children. What is the theme of this story? Relationship with parents and children. We all love our parents, isn't it? Yes. Then through this story, we can see the love of a father to his daughter. The story Little Girl, written by Catherine Mansfield. She was a modern short story writer. The theme of the story is relationship between parents and children. Now move on to the important characters in this story. The important characters in this story. First one is Kezia. Kezia is the central character. Then listen the title of the story, Little Girl. Kezia is the little girl in this story. Second one is father, Kezia's father. These two characters play a prominent role in this story. Father, the name of her father is not mentioned in the story. Next one is mother, Kezia's mother. Fourth one is grandmother, Kezia's grandmother, Kezia's father's mother. While reading the story, you may come across his father is calling his mother many times. Last one, Alice, the name of the story. This story is very interesting. While reading the story, you might have seen the same thing, the similar things happening in your life and in your own house. Now move on to the story. Listen, who are the most important characters in the story? Kezia, father, mother, grandmother, Alice, the cook. All of you take your literature reader, page number 32. The Little Girl by Catherine Mansfield. She was a prominent modern short story writer. To the little girl, he was a figure to be feared and avoided. To the little girl, he was a figure. Who was a figure? Kezia's father was a figure to be feared and avoided. That means Kezia was afraid of her father. Every morning, before going to work, he came into her room and gave her a casual kiss. Before going for work, he usually came to her room and gave her a casual kiss, to which she responded with goodbye. During that time, she said goodbye. Goodbye, father. And there was a glad sense of relief when she heard the noise of the carriage growing fainter and fainter down the long road. Then she felt great relief when his vehicle moved away from their house. Then carriage here means vehicle. Carriage means vehicle. In the evening, when he came home, she stood near the staircase and heard his loud voice in the hall. In the evening, when he came back from office, she heard his loud voice calling for tea. Bring my tea into the drawing room. Hasn't the paper come yet? Mother, go and see if my papa's out there and bring me my slippers. Then when he came back his home, he usually heard his loud noise. Kezia, mother would call to her. Then during that time, Kezia's mother called her. If you are a good girl, you can come down and take off father's boots. Then she told her to remove his shoes. Slowly the girl would slip down the stairs more slowly till across the hall and push open the drawing room door. Then she went near him. By that time, he had his spectacles on and looked at her over them in a way that was terrifying to the little girl. Then he stared at her. Actually, she was afraid of her father, that we have seen at the beginning of the lesson itself. Well, Kezia, hurry up and pull off those boots and take them outside. Have you been a good girl today? While she was removing the shoes, he would ask her, have you been a good girl today? I don't know, father. Then when she answered, Then there was a stuttering. Stuttering means stammering. That means she was really afraid of her father. So when she answered his question, she stammered. You don't know, if you stutter like that, mother will have to take you to the doctor. Then if you are stuttering, if you are stammering, mother will take you to the doctor. She never stuttered with other people. Then as in the case of Kezia, she never stuttered with other people. Had quite given it up, but only with the father. But while she was talking with her father, she stuttered. Why? Because she was afraid of her father. Because then she was trying so hard to say the words properly. What's the matter? What are you looking so wretched about, mother? I wish you taught this child not to appear on the brink of suicide. Then what is the matter? Then Kezia, stared at him. So during that time, her father asked his mother, I wish you taught this child not to appear on the brink of suicide, on the edge of suicide. Here, Kezia, carry my teacup back to the table carefully. He was so big. His hands and his neck, especially his mouth when he yawned. He was so big. He was a big man. His hands and his mouth, especially his mouth when he yawned. When he opened his mouth, it was so big. Then thinking about him alone was like thinking about a giant. Then while she was thinking about her father, she thought that she was thinking about a giant. A giant here means a person of very big size. On Sunday afternoon, grandmother sent her down to the drawing room to have a nice talk with father and mother. On Sunday afternoon, grandmother sent her down to the drawing room to have a nice talk with father and mother. One Sunday afternoon, grandmother informed her to talk with her father and mother. They were in the drawing room, but the little girl always found mother reading the newspaper and father stretched out on the sofa. But the little girl always found that mother was reading something and father was stretched out on the sofa. His handkerchief on his face, he kept him on handkerchief on his face, his feet on one of the best cushions, sleeping soundly and snoring. And he was sleeping with a sound. Snoring here means breathing noisily in sleep. She sat on a stool gravely and watched him until he woke and stretched. She sat on a stool. Then she sat on a stool gravely and watched him until he woke and stretched. She sat on a stool and watched him until he woke up and asked the time. Then looked at her. Don't stare so, Kezia. You look like a little brown owl. Don't stare, Kezia, his father said. You look like a little brown owl. Then if you are staring, then I felt that you look like a brown owl. Then let's see the next part in the next class. Then today, what we have seen today, this story is written by Catherine Mansfield. She was a prominent modern short story writer. The theme of this story is relationship between parents and children. What is the theme of this story? Relationship between parents and children. Then who are the most important characters in the story? Kezia, father, mother, grandmother, Alice the cook. Kezia and father play a prominent role in this story. The name of her father is not mentioned in the story. Then in the beginning of the story, we have seen Kezia was afraid of her father. She was avoided her. He would give him a casual kiss before going to the office. Then Kezia was so happy when his vehicle moved away from their house. In the evening, when he came back, then Kezia would hear his loud voice for calling for tea. Then during that time, Kezia's mother asked her to take off his boots. While she was removing his shoes, he asked him whether she was a good girl during that day. Then when he questioned her, then she was so afraid, and while she was answering, she was stammering. Then father told her that if she was stammering, then definitely her mother would take her to the hospital. Then one day, her grandmother asked her to go to drawing room and have a nice talk with her parents. But usually she found that her mother was reading something and his father was lying in the sofa. Then she sat on a stool and she waited until he woke up. But when he woke up, when he woke up, he asked her, then why you are staring? If you are staring in this way, you look like an owl. Then here ends the first part. Then all of you understand the story. After reading the story, after completing the story, then we can see the message of the story. Then actually what is the message in this story? All parents love their children equally and are ready to support them. That I will explain after completing the story. Listen once more. The story is written by Catherine Mansfield. She was a prominent short story writer. The theme of this story is relationship between parents and children. Then Kezia was afraid of her father. Kezia was the protagonist in the story. She was afraid of her father. Then before going, most of the time she tried to avoid him. Then before going to work, he usually came to her room and gave her a casual kiss. When he went, she felt so happy. Why? Because she was so afraid. In the evening, when he came back, then Kezia heard her loud voice for calling for tea. One day, Kezia's grandmother asked her to have a nice talk with father and mother while they were in the drawing room. Kezia went to the drawing room. Then most of the time, she found that her mother was reading something, his father was lying in the sofa. Then she waited there until he woke up. Here ends the first part. All of you read the story. I will send you the notes through WhatsApp. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Thank you all.